Morning, everyone. Today we are going to go take the Mach 1 to get a, you can't see it, it's boxed, but we're going to put an H-pipe. It's a Steeda H-pipe. I decided to go with the H-pipe because it's a little bit louder. I'm after sound. Power, you know, this car here, we don't know what we're going to do with yet, but I do have the GT500 on order. Perhaps it's going to have a Whipple, so I'm going to focus power on probably that vehicle, not so much on this one, at least not now. I don't know, blower maybe, I don't know yet, but we have power here, so we have 700 and some plus horsepower there, so we're after the sound, the nice, you know, nice tone. So we are like I said, we're about to head that way and drop it off and get these mufflers, this H-pipe installed. So we'll see you guys in a minute. So we just picked up the car from the muffler shop after they installed the resonator delete. Actually sounds very, very good. It's a little bit louder, a little bit raspier. It's not like extremely louder, but you know, it sounds okay. We're gonna do some clips before and after on all modes, and so you guys can kind of get an idea how it sounds. But it's pretty cool. I mean, it sounds a lot better. The rev match makes it sound very nice. So obviously, this is the first part. Just the car's too quiet. This is the first part. Like I said before in another previous video, we're talking to Borla about their exhaust that hasn't been released yet. You know, hopefully they'll let me install it on this car prior to. Sorry about that. Let me install it prior to releasing it to everyone. Let's see what they say. We've had a few conversations, but other than that, we'll continue. If it doesn't work out with Borla, we're looking at Corsa. So we'll go from there. So let's go over to a spot where we can get some drive modes and revs and get everything going. Thank you. So there you have it. You have the video of the different sounds, different modes between stock with the resonator and with the resonator delete. On this video, Alexis wanted to come by and say hi. Say hi, Alexis.
Hi.
She's just cruising along. She says she loves the Mach 1, but can't wait till we get the GT500 2022. But anyhow, I hope you guys like that small clip. That kind of shows you the difference. It does sound better, but I will tell you, it's not like a huge, I'd say huge difference in sound. It is a little bit louder, but it's not like, you know, you do a resonator delete and you're done. Still needs mufflers, maybe take the cats off, you know, high flow cats, I don't know. But as far as stock, you know, versus resonator delete, it's definitely a difference. But again, for my liking, I like it a little bit louder. So we're gonna do exhaust. Hopefully we can find somebody. The 2021 Mach 1 is a fairly new car, so there's not very many options out there. So we'll wait and see what we get. Hopefully, like I said previously, Borla and I have been speaking, kind of going back and forth on you know, the release of the exhaust for the Mach 1. So if we can get them to you know, let us purchase it before they even release it, that'll be great. If they don't, or they go in a different direction, that's great anyway. I do like the Borla Attack. You know, Corsa is another one that I like. So anyhow, so with that said, again, you know, appreciate you guys. You know, we've having the content giving you guys a little bit of information of how this Mach 1s are. The next video, I will be releasing what I think in comparison to the 2020 GT500. I mean, I've owned a Performance Pack 1 GT. I've owned a 2020 GT500, and I'll give you guys kind of a glimpse of what I think is the difference, what I like, what I don't like, so that way you guys can have at least some kind of information as to, if you're ever, you know, on the fence, what type of vehicle you want to purchase. You know, somebody that's had both can, you know, kind of give you their experience with both cars. So anyhow, with that said, again, you know, thank you again, and we'll see you on the next video.